Welcome to English Learning Podcast. This is the place where you learn real English, slowly, clearly, and with confidence. In today's episode, we will practice 7 daily routines that native speakers use every day. You can listen, repeat, and speak along with me. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Today's topic. Today, we're talking about daily life in English. These are the simple things you do every day. When you learn these, you can start speaking English in real life. Routine 1. Waking up. I wake up at 7 in the morning. I open my eyes. I stretch my body. I get out of bed. I feel a little tired, but ready for the day. I say, "Good morning." I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror and I smile. A new day begins. Repeat after me. I wake up. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I start my day. Routine 2. Breakfast. After I wake up, I have breakfast. I go to the kitchen. I make coffee or tea. I eat bread, eggs, or fruit. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I enjoy my food. I feel more awake. Repeat. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I feel ready. Routine 3. Work or study. After breakfast, I work or I study. I sit at my desk. I open my email. I read. I write. I learn new things. I try my best. I focus. Repeat. I work. I study. I learn. Routine 4. Going out. In the afternoon, I go out. I go to the store. I buy food. I buy the things I need. I talk to people. I say hello, thank you, have a nice day. I feel confident. Repeat. I go out. I buy food. I talk to people. Routine 5. Evening. In the evening, I come home. I feel tired but relaxed. I make dinner. I eat with my family. We talk, we laugh, we relax together. It feels good to be home. Repeat. I come home. I eat dinner. I relax. Routine 6. Relaxing. After dinner, I relax. I watch TV. I listen to music. I read a book. Sometimes I just enjoy the quiet. My body feels calm. My mind slows down. Repeat. I relax. I watch TV. I feel calm. Routine 7. Going to bed. At night, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth. I change my clothes. I turn off the lights. I lie down. I close my eyes. I sleep. Tomorrow is a new day. Repeat. I go to bed. I close my eyes. I sleep. Mini practice. Let's say everything together. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I work. I go out. I eat dinner. I relax. I go to bed. Great job! You practiced real English today. If you want to speak better, listen again and repeat every day. Don't forget to subscribe to English Learning Podcast HQ. I'll see you in the next episode.